Hi, Dad. We found a little bit of Kreinik history back
Yeah,
here. What
boy,
is
this is
beautiful
a sweater that was knitted with our material. My mom didn't do this one. This is knitted with our material about 1984. It's a Chanel style, and it's done in our silk and our ombre, and
on a knitting machine?
on a knitting machine. And there was a stylish skirt that went with it.
Nice.
Here's the skirt right here, and that's also done in silk.
Done in silk.
And it was just gorgeous. I think my mom wore this at a trade show.
I think I saw pictures of it, yeah. It's so soft. It's really soft for metallic. So that's silk, and this is silk and metallic.
Silk and metallics.
And we
really
still have this color ombre?
Yeah.
It's still
we still have the gold, yes.
You can buy it in cones for knitting or for knitting machines. And then what's this?
This was done in about 19 well, it was after I came into the company.
Yeah.
So it was about 1984, 85, and this was a sweater that's 100% metallics. I believe it's double knit.
Hold it up to you so I can see the style. Oh yeah. Oh nice.
Yeah. So it's a little. The shoulders are a little bit puffy.
Right.
So that's a little out of style today.
Right.
But still, it was. I remember the woman who wore this came out on. There was a fashion show, and she wore this, and it had a skirt that went with it, and everybody was stunned. It was stunning.
It was stunning. Yeah.
Stunning.
Was this done on a knitting machine?
This was all done on a knitting machine. Yes.
Beautiful.
And it's a double knit.
Right.